Hi, this is Jeff Shoket, Conejo Valley Realtor. Just want to give you a quick tip for this holiday season. If you haven't already put up your Christmas lights, I thought I'd just share this with you a little bit here. This is how I made my job that much easier this coming year. Last year I put in these hooks that you can see behind me in my eaves. They're coffee cup hooks that you can get at Home Depot pretty easily. They're like $3 a box. It makes that job so much easier than having to staple these lighting that I have here in the eaves. It's just 1, 2, and 3. I'm done. And I'm going to take about 20 minutes to put these up. It's about 150 feet, and I don't have to take all day to do this with a staple gun. So to make your job this easier, just put in a coffee cup hooks in your eaves. They're stainless, I think they're nickel, and they're coated in plastic. So they're going to last forever. They're not going to go anywhere. Make your job that much easier to put these up. Just thought I'd put it out there, make your job that much easier. Just remember, it's always easier to deal with now than to deal with it later. Remember also, the little details do matter. This is Jeff Shoket at Conejo Valley Realtor. Thank you. Have a great holiday. Bye.